Introducing the 2023 Kia Sorento Phev K3. This sleek 5-door MPV in stunning grey offers the perfect blend of style, comfort and eco-friendly performance. Packed with top-notch features like air conditioning, satellite navigation and collision avoidance braking. This vehicle ensures a smooth and safe ride every time. With its luxurious interior, advanced security systems and stylish chrome accents, the Sorento is the ultimate family car. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call Dooley Motors Carlow today to schedule a test drive.